Hey everyone, we're here at Greenfield Village today in Detroit, Michigan, home of the Henry Ford Motor Company.
Power motor, 2-speed transmission per hour of top speed. You can get around 20 miles to the gallon, and with a 10-gallon gas tank, that will give you a range of about 200 miles.
We got to take a ride on the Weiser Railroad. Have these little old-timey towns set up where you can see things like Edison's Workshop, and they have old cars driving around. It's really cute. We even got to see a glass blowing presentation. That's towards the end of this video.
Carousel cam, you can ride.
See the horses over there? They're carrying
That's how they used to heat this building.
Edison's laboratory. Did you know he invented a shaver? Shape them and drill them, cut them. That's what an anvil. Do you know what you do on an anvil?
I think so. I think you break those heavy things with it.
Questions? Comments? But this was the original building. Then when all the money starts flowing in for the lighting, he gets the big brick building and library and office. Where's he getting his ideas from? He reads. He's a huge reader. Later in life, he'll say, you know, I'm interested in this topic. Send me every book ever printed on that topic. You know, so he will study issues.
Get them back into shape. October of 1908 to May 26, 1927. Put your foot on the running board. Put your foot up.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Being 2,000 pounds apiece, and most of that being muscle, these guys are able to pull 5 to 6 times their own body weight. So if you think about it, 2,000 pounds apiece makes this what we consider a 4,000 pound team, and 5 times their own body weight. That means these guys can tow upwards of 20,000 pounds, which, to put it in today's perspective, it's hard to visualize 20,000 pounds, but that's actually more that these guys can tow than most modern day pickup trucks. So it's pretty incredible what 2 horsepower is worth when it's actual horses.
Tell me
As he's working, it's slowly getting harder and harder. It's
Ken, the first light bulb.
Now we are divided into districts, and the first district will be Model T. In a moment, you'll see a small white farmhouse. This is where Henry Ford was born on July 30th, 1863, in the upstairs bedroom. Now remember, I talked to the front of the train, and we all kind of catch up in the back here. But you'll see the house here on the left. And 125 years ago, Henry Ford, just before his 33rd birthday, went out with Clara for a ride in his quadricycle on the streets of Detroit.